thought today I'd be drilling holes from the door into the cabin, but there's lots of carpets in the way, there's rubber seals. I think to give myself some more space, I'm going to start removing more of the interior.
That's right. Before the rest of the work starts, it's time to get this interior out. It's just a couple of bolts keeping the drivers and passengers' seats in. With the passenger seat out, it's far easier getting to the back seats. And back here you can see some of the damage that water has caused coming in from around the rear window, shown here with this distorted trim piece. Just the two screws keeping these rear pockets in, here and here. Other than being a little bit distorted, this trim piece is absolutely fine. We should be able to persuade it back to its original shape. Let's see if this works. Now onto the seatbelts. The hardware is far more hefty than what I've been dealing with so far, but it's still a simple job removing them. Remember to secure your tripod. This bolt secures the passenger's seatbelt inertia reel. These rear compartments hold both seatbelt reels for that side of the car and some of the SRS system. I'll just need to undo the screws here and here. Once unscrewed and unclipped, the whole system comes out. These rear seats are kept in with two leather tags screwed to the frame. Now that's out of the way, we can get to the rest of the seatbelt bolts. Once the rear seatbelt clips have been undone and removed, that's the entire seatbelt system out of the car. Now just the final part of the rear seat to remove. And these wheel arch covers, of course. These seat riser brackets will need to come out, along with the main seat anchor points. The very last thing to come out are the seatbelt clips here at the front. Conveniently, they're already labelled up, left and right.
So now that the seats and seatbelts are out, I'm going to try and take out the carpet.
I've not been looking forward to this job, as I know the carpet's been hiding water damage, but here we go. Best to get it out now and know what we're dealing with. Everything's looking alright at the back half of the car. Here at the driver's footwell is where you can see the worst of the damage. Even though the car's been undercover for a few months, this carpet's still wet. Looking here at the underside of the carpet, you can see very clearly where the water's been sitting. It's not looking good for the driver's side. Passenger side is looking much better. Taking these seals off reveals more damage. A lot of bodywork comes away within the rubber seal. Although the driver's side is looking pretty ropey, I'm glad to see the rest of the floor pan isn't too bad. Of course, I've only just started uncovering things, and who knows what's around the corner, but it's fair to say this is all manageable stuff so far. It's a shame I can't end this episode on a better note, but if you do enjoy these videos, please do like and subscribe. There's plenty more on the way, and if you'd like to support the project further, you could even check out the Patreon. Join me next time for some of this. This is really cold. And this. See you there.